Welcome to Race to Riches, where we ignite the engines of financial freedom and speed towards success in the thrilling world of wealth-building strategies. Today, we're steering into the exciting avenue of real estate investing, a path that can pave the way to remarkable wealth creation and financial independence. So, what exactly is real estate investing? Simply put, it's the purchase, ownership, management, or sale of real estate for profit. It's a venture that can offer steady cash flow, potential appreciation, and significant tax advantages. Now, when we talk about real estate, we're not just referring to residential properties like houses and apartments. The realm of real estate also encompasses commercial properties such as office buildings, industrial properties like warehouses and factories, and even undeveloped land. Each of these types of real estate investments carries its own unique opportunities and challenges. In the race to prosperity, real estate investing is a powerful vehicle that can speed up your journey. Now, you might be wondering, why choose real estate investing? Well, let's rev up those engines and dive right in. First up, cash flow. Real estate investing can generate a steady income stream that can supercharge your financial journey. Next, appreciation. Over time, properties tend to increase in value, providing a significant return on investment. But that's not all. Real estate investing also comes with tax benefits. Depreciation, mortgage interest deductions, and property tax deductions can help reduce your tax bill, leaving you with more cash in your pocket. Finally, diversification. Including real estate in your investment portfolio can provide a hedge against market volatility, helping you navigate the unpredictable twists and turns of the financial race. These benefits make real estate a top choice for many investors, from the rookie racers to the seasoned speedsters. As you can see, the benefits of real estate investing can really fuel your financial engine. So, you're ready to rev up your investment engine with real estate. But where do you start? Let's dive right into the first strategy, rental properties. This is a classic route where you purchase a property and rent it out to tenants. The pros? You'll have a steady stream of income from the rent, and over time the property may appreciate in value. You're basically making money while you sleep. But let's not ignore the cons. Being a landlord comes with responsibilities. You'll need to maintain the property and deal with any issues that arise. Next up, we have real estate investment trusts, or REITs. Think of this as the stock market for real estate. You're buying shares in a company that owns and operates income-producing real estate. This could be anything from shopping malls to apartment buildings. The beauty of REITs is that they offer a way to invest in real estate without the need to own physical property. Plus, by law, REITs are required to distribute at least 90% of their taxable income to shareholders as dividends. Sounds good, right? But remember, as with any investment, there's always a risk. The value of your shares can go down as well as up. And then, we have house flipping. This is where you buy a property at a low price, fix it up, and sell it for a profit. It's like the extreme sport of real estate investing. It can be exciting and potentially very profitable, but it's not for the faint of heart. You'll need a good understanding of the real estate market and renovation costs. And let's not forget, time is money. The longer it takes to flip the house, the less profit you make. With the right strategy, your journey to financial freedom could be smoother and faster than you think. So, whether you choose rental properties, REITs, or house flipping, remember, it's all about finding the strategy that fits your goals, budget, and risk tolerance. The race to riches is a marathon, not a sprint. So buckle up, keep your eyes on the prize, and enjoy the ride. Like any race, the road to real estate investing is not without its bumps and curves. In the thrilling world of property investment, potential risks can be as diverse as market volatility, property damage, and the occasional bad tenant. It's crucial to remember that, as with any venture, real estate investing comes with its own set of challenges. Market volatility is a bit like unpredictable weather on the racetrack. It can affect property values, rental income, and even the demand for rental properties. The best way to weather this storm is by conducting thorough research and staying informed about market trends. That's akin to checking the weather forecast before a race. Being armed with knowledge can help you make informed decisions and avoid costly mistakes. Next, let's talk about property damage. It's like a flat tire in the middle of a race. It can be caused by natural disasters, accidents, or even negligent tenants. This can lead to unexpected and potentially high repair costs. So, how do you prepare for such an event? The answer is insurance. Having the right insurance policy can help cover the cost of these repairs, ensuring that your vehicle, or in this case your property, is back on track in no time. Finally, there's the risk of bad tenants. They can be compared to reckless drivers who can cause havoc on the racetrack. They may not pay rent on time, cause damage to the property, or even violate the terms of the lease. The key to mitigating this risk is by conducting a thorough tenant screening process. This includes checking references, verifying income, and conducting a background check. It's like checking the credentials of a driver before they join the race. By being aware of the risks and taking steps to mitigate them, you can navigate the ups and downs of real estate investing with confidence. So fasten your seatbelts, rev up those engines, and let's keep racing towards financial freedom with Race to Riches. We've covered a lot of ground today, from the benefits of real estate investing to strategies for beginners and how to mitigate risks. We've dashed through the exciting landscape of real estate investments, and you've seen how this path can be a powerful vehicle to drive you towards financial freedom. Recapping the key points, we've learned that real estate investment can provide steady cash flow, build equity, and offer tax advantages. We've also discovered the importance of understanding and mitigating risks, from market fluctuations to property management challenges. Remember, it's not just about owning a property, it's about strategically building your wealth. As a beginner, it's okay to start small, learn, and progressively scale up. The real estate race is not a sprint, it's a marathon. It requires patience, persistence, and smart decision-making. Thank you for joining us on this epic race towards financial empowerment. Remember, the road to riches is paved with knowledge, perseverance, and smart choices. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated on our future races to wealth. Keep hustling, stay driven, and we'll see you at the winner's circle. Until next time, keep racing towards your dreams with Race to Riches.